another day of the vlog. I'm sitting here. Well, actually, now I'm standing. I'm wearing a wedding dress. I woke up this morning, went to my third epidural shot. If you guys don't know, I got in a car accident. Someone hit me because they were texting and driving. Don't do that. But today I got my third epidural shot, which is supposed to help with the pain from the accident. Anywho, I get home. This is like they took the blood out of my hand, like TMI, but they like did the IV in my fist, which I've never seen them do before at all. So I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty scary because I don't know, it just felt like super weird and new and foreign. And here's my like hospital band. You guys can't read it. Yeah. Anyway, I get home today and I like took a nap. I was really tired. I'm literally running on 3 hours of sleep just because. Hey. Oh, hey Ben.
We're getting married, right?
Yeah, we're getting married. I'm literally running on 3 hours of sleep, 2 of them of which I was like in the surgery room. So, you know, I didn't get any REM sleep last night. That is definitely for sure. I get home today and everyone is at my house. Ben is here.
You wouldn't guess what's happening.
Yeah, tell him.
Ava's getting married.
I'm getting married
To
today.
Brent.
Yay!
It's a brave wedding today.
Oh my god, it should be like a special like ding, ding,
I'm the best man too.
ding. Ooh. Did you plan a good bachelorette or bachelor?
Yeah, Brent's getting That's not what that is.
Oh my god! I get home today. Brent is in my house as well as everyone else, and he has a ring and he proposed to me. So that happened. Lexi's wearing white on my wedding day. You thief!
The other Lexi's wearing black. I don't know what's for.
Yeah, that's so true. Lexi, are you gonna oppose?
No, I'm very supportive of this wedding. I offered to officiate it.
Ooh, wait, who's officiating it? Mason, huh? I feel like Mason
Say
would be.
vows?
No, you know how like you have to have like the priest or whatever?
I'm saying the orange chicken.
I'm currently wearing Brent's mom's wedding dress, which actually fits so nice. Like, I would legitimately feel good wearing this, like on my actual wedding.
She's here and wearing black on my wedding.
I'm sorry. I
What a
don't
jerk.
support. I'm kidding. No, I looked it up and it said it like isn't bad luck or anything.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah.
My first thought is just like, who's gonna catch the bouquet, you know?
God, hopefully me.
Yeah.
I need luck on my side.
Same. Mercury's in retrograde, so I think we're all.
Again? It's been like that for 12 months!
Everything goes really wrong. All of your stuff breaks, and everyone gets mad at each other.
Do you want to be my
I'm not that
date?
smart. Those are big words.
Finally, are you gonna be the flower girl?
No.
Finally, can you pull flowers?
There's gonna be 2 weddings today.
So, Brent is currently outside, and I think he's trying to see me, but that's bad luck. You can't see the person you're marrying before you get married. Like, the dress is supposed to be, like, a secret, even though he's seen this dress probably in many family photos. But I'm just gonna hide in the kitchen, which isn't a bad place to hide. I'm gonna get a snack.
Alright, Ava, we're ready for you.
Wait, you can't see me until I walk out. It's bad luck.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. I'm getting cold feet. I think I might run away with my Latin lover, Argentinio.
No, it has to be over a $50 value.
I'm sorry. What? No. I'm not even paid enough to be here.
Handcuffs.
Ava likes that. Okay, alright, let's get inside.
What's our first order of sisterly business?
It is my sister and my sister-in-law. Wait, no.
No.
Wait,
It's
no.
your sister and your sister's sister-in-law.
Yeah. Lexi, how does it feel to have a sister-in-law?
I love it, you guys. I grew up with all boys, so it's like. Oh my god, yeah!
Oh my god, I can't believe I made you guys sisters.
Wow, yay!
The power of me. Ha!
Somebody to hold. Hey, now the day
My ears hurt.
We're currently in the mall. Oh my god, it smells so good.
I got you guys bath bombs because you're the bomb.
Oh, that's cute.
And you can take a bath together.
Oh,
Romantical.
yeah.
Guys, so we're actually in the mall right now, and people like legitimately think that Brent and I are married, and like all these old couples that like definitely have been so wholesomely married for like 80 years.
Congratulations.
They're like, congratulate. Like this one guy was like, really? And I was like, uh-huh. And I felt so
Oh,
bad
I
for
hate
lying to
lying.
him. But I was like, uh-huh. And then he's like, congratulations. And the look on his face, he like actually like, I felt like he
so
was like
proud.
sending love.
He was so proud.
And then I showed him my sandals and I was like, I'm wearing my comfy shoes. And he's like, yeah.
Exactly.
Oh my God, I feel terrible. I feel terrible tricking the old adults in the mall into thinking, oh,
Guy, he goes, you look beautiful.
the tea. I have a bird and a lime and update. It is a little bit later. We're at 3rd Street Promenade. I actually don't know why. I think this is my honeymoon. I can't say I'm too impressed.
I think this is my honeymoon.
I think this is my honeymoon. Pray for us that we get to go to Hawaii for our real honeymoon next week. Trying to convince Brent to come to Hawaii next week, and I think I'm almost there.
It's so pretty. Brent. It's so pretty.
You know what's prettier than the sunset? The sunset.
Ew.
Lexi Hensler.
Oh, you
Plot
did
twist.
not
I
just say that.
Just changed.
Good morning! Yeah! Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Hold on. Good morning, guys. It is a new day. My skin, guys. At least I'm using a pine cone to balance this camera. Okay. As you guys know, I don't eat meat and I don't eat dairy. I have just been so stressed out the past month, you know? First it was Fashion Week, then it was Australia, then it was Bali, then it was India, then I came home, and then I got married to Brent, and then, you know, it's a mess. Regardless, I've just been stressed out. We all have those times in our life where things just pile up on us and we just don't want to do anything. And I was really jet lagged and I ended up going to bed at like 5 a.m. every night because I literally couldn't help myself. And what did I do? I went to McDonald's and I got fries. I got an Oreo McFlurry every single day, pretty much for like 2 weeks straight. You might be thinking, because I thought this too, you know, like what is a order of large fries, because I ate a large fry all by myself, and a McFlurry going to do? You know, I deserve it. I earned it. Yeah, okay, maybe it's like fine for one day, but not 2 weeks straight when your body isn't used to that kind of food. Then I found out that McDonald's French fries are not vegan. They are cooked in like pork oil, which I had no idea. Like, why do you have to cook fries in pork oil? They're fries. Just keep them a potato. I think that's what messed up my skin, because 2 weeks of stuff that your body has not seen in 4 years will do some bad things to you. So as you guys can see, this is the aftermath of eating McFlurries and fries for 2 weeks straight. So don't do that. I'm gonna post a picture right here of what my skin looked like when I was eating vegan. And you guys can clearly see, this is not even at its worst. This is like the best day I've had in a month. This is what my skin looks like after literally eating McDonald's. So I don't know how much more proof you need to like not be eating fast food, because this is how quickly that could turn to this, just off of some fast food. Oh Jesus, the pine cone tripod broke. This morning it's like Saturday. It's the first day that I've literally had like all to myself. I'm gonna make some pancakes. I'm gonna light a candle. Yeah, I don't know. Is it time to light Christmas candles yet? 'Tis the season. A vintage find. Now I know why I never lit this. That's not that good. That is not that good. Okay, pumpkin apple. I should probably burn the fall candles because it's gonna be like Christmas season soon. If you guys know Spirit Daughter on Instagram, she sent me a really cool lunar calendar. This thing is so cute. It tells you when all of the moon phases are. I need this because I don't keep up with, like, I don't know this inside my head, so I'm gonna hang this up somewhere. I need to figure out how to get rid of redness too. But you know what? Like, I'm not really freaking out over my skin just because I know that time, like, it'll pass, you know, like, this is bad right now, but as long as I just like eat healthy and be patient and like work to getting back to my skin, it's gonna go away. So I might have like a month of this or two, but I'm gonna be cute in the end, okay? We always end up cute in the end. I'm just gonna need a little time to get there. All right, about 25 minutes later, we have pancakes and fresh orange juice. Oh my gosh. Update, it is a little bit later. I have a full face of makeup on. I'm wearing the Shane Dawson palette for the second time. Oh, Mai's here.
Hi.
Where's your Shane Dawson palette?
I woke up this morning, got in the car, and drove to LA, so.
Well, what?
But I did like 5 looks yesterday, and I was gonna film a video, and I kept trying out different looks, and then I was like, nothing's good enough, and so I kept taking it off.
Why don't you just do 5 looks, all 5? We're about to film a video. I'm gonna film about the time that I almost died in Joshua Tree. And then I'm gonna make some coffee, and then maybe we'll go do something. Maya, what are we doing?
We're about to catch a katydid that's in the house, and we're not playing around.
We got this guy in the house. He's so large. He's got a freaking tail. Basically what the plan is we've suited up so that it cannot touch us because we've dealt with this before and it flies. And it flies at random. Like it.
You look like that thing from, what's it called? That scary movie with the man.
Every scary movie.
Sinister.
Our goal is to get it out of the house. Is to get it into the door and leave.
Yes. Which is like not
But it
easy.
flies! I'm gonna put shoes on just in case it decides to like switch
That's
up on
what
us and go on the
saying.
floor, you
I
know?
don't have any shoes on.
Alright, I'm gonna put some shoes on. Alright, Maya, we've got tons of things to disorient it. Maya, a banana's
It
not
eats
gonna...
fruit!
I'm gonna pee my pants.
They make sure if we die, they see all the action.
Goal is to get it outside, Maya. Are you not put the pillow down? It's gonna make it hard for you to use the tools. Get a weapon, Maya. Get 2 weapons. Wait. Should I move that stuff from underneath it? Holy crap!
It's twerking!
Oh, it's hurt. Oh my god! You're a good soul.
Where's your fracking air? You're cooking.